Hey, happy Wednesday. How's everyone doing today? Fantastic. For today, you have your one pager. So, I'm glad you found the one pager, which is fantastic. And it has all your homework listed that you need to do for today. The first thing you need to do is watch the intro to lesson 1.1.2, which is that lesson will be in your textbook, but the video is actually an Ed puzzle, so you're going to watch that. And then you have some Khan Academy exercises, 4 of them. And the biggest thing is make sure you're logged in on Khan Academy. So in the upper right hand corner, make sure that says your name on it. And remember, we sign in through Google. I know some of you yesterday were not able to get signed in to Khan Academy. And so for those of you that couldn't get into Khan Academy, I did find a little bit of a fix for that. So I will explain that at the end, but what you're going to have to do is sign out of your Chromebook and then sign back into it. So there's a little bit more to it than just signing out, so stay tuned to the video if you still have to do that, okay? If there's some stuff that you have not gotten done, make sure you're working on that. So there's some Ed puzzles that still have not been completed, and I have the one pagers attached to this as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to stop into my office hours. Happy to help with any questions that you have. Okay, so you guys are doing a fantastic job, and I think you're being rock stars, and I really appreciate all the hard work that you're giving me. So with that being said, if you are already in Khan Academy because you were able to get registered for that and signed up for it, you are done with this video and you know what you need to work on. If you did not get into Khan Academy because you were having technical difficulties, please hang tight. I'm going to go through how to get you into Khan Academy, and hopefully that'll work. All right? See ya. All right, so I want to show you down here on the bottom right of your Chromebook. Right here is where you're going to click, and then you will see a button that either says sign out right here, or you'll have this power button that you can click on. Either way, that's going to help get you out. So that's kind of the first step in all of this process. Obviously, you're not going to be able to do that while you're watching the video, so please make sure you have this stuff written down and you understand what I'm saying, okay? All right, next you're going to come to a screen that is going to look like this, okay? Thomas Bartlett does not go to our school. And what I really want to focus on for this is this point right here. So you need to click on that little point there, and once you click on that, it's going to bring a box down that's going to say remove this user from the Chromebook. That's what you want to do. Okay, now don't panic, it's not going to remove you from Bloomington Public Schools, but just remove it from your Chromebook, and then you'll be able to sign back in. So you want to click on, again, this part, and then remove it from there, and I'll show you what that's going to bring. So then that's going to bring you to a screen that's going to look like this, okay? Now, obviously, this is going to say at isd271.org, so you're going to put in your normal username, click the next button, and it's going to get you right back into where you were. So then what I would suggest doing is going to Khan Academy, click the login button, and try to log in through Google and see if that works. If that doesn't work, please feel free to stop into my office hours. I'm happy to help you. We'll work on this together to make sure that you get signed in and you are getting credit for the Khan Academy that you're doing. Okay? All right. See ya.